From a horse to horse trading, Shaktiman really becoming a symbol of the turmoil that has characterized Uttarakhand politics in the last few months. And today, judges who are deciding whether President's rule was used in the hill state of Uttarakhand to get rid of the Congress government observed even the President could go wrong.
Even the President can be wrong and everything is open to judicial review is what the Uttarakhand High Court today told the centre. As the centre tried to impress upon the court that once the President had taken a decision on imposing President's rule, it was not open to review by the courts. These observations coming on a day when the Uttarakhand High Court heard final arguments by both the Congress as well as the centre. All eyes now on this court here in Nainital and which way it finally rules. The centre has repeatedly argued that Harish Rawat's government fell when 9 rebel Congress MLAs, led by former Chief Minister Vijay Bahuguna, voted against the budget on the 18th of March. Allegations of horse trading and a biased role by the Speaker were all enough grounds to impose President's rule. The High Court, however, strongly disagreed, with the Chief Justice telling the centre, "However high you may be, the law is above you. There is no such decision like that of the King which can't be subject to judicial review. That's the essence of our constitution."
The main arguments were over yesterday and they more or less concluded today. The court has asked for some clarification on one or two issues. That by tomorrow 2 o'clock, those clarifications will be presented before the court.
Interestingly, as the High Court deliberates on the validity of President's rule, BJP General Secretary and Uttarakhand in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya today said in Delhi that the BJP was ready to form a government in the state.
देखिए, हमारे पास तो कल भी बहुमत था, आज भी बहुमत है. अगर कोई अवसर मिलेगा बहुमत सिद्ध करने का तो हम फ्लोर पर सिद्ध करेंगे.
After Arunachal, Uttarakhand became the second government which was dismissed by the Modi government at the centre. While the centre claims in both cases there was a breakdown of the constitutional machinery, the Congress alleges that this was done only to remove its governments. In Nainital, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.